Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, everyone. Please accept my humble obeisances. Warm welcome to all of you. Hope the weekend was fully Krishna conscious. And hope the coming week will be like will nourish all of us with Krishna consciousness. So I would like to mention that holy name, just to begin, that holy name is the first contact for the living being with Krishna in this material world. It is like first contact we can have with Krishna. And slowly, when we are determined and in our chanting and take it very sincerely, this holy name itself reveals about Krishna, his leelas, pastimes, qualities. So we all know this, but that's why you have to not look for God here and there. You have to just focus on the holy name. And I'm very glad to welcome Mataji, who is really helping me to take a step ahead and focus on my chanting and helping me a lot with my chanting and how to make it more attentively. So I welcome Sonia Mataji. Mataji, Dandat Pranam.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Mataji, mutually we are all helping each other. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Dandat Pranam to all the Matajis, Prabhus, and the sincere children of Shobha. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. So today I'm going to tell a story from Srimad Bhagavatam. Mataji, am I audible?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. So today I'm going to tell a story from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 10, chapter number 23. The name of the story is The Brahmana's Wives Blessed. Oh, Krishna. 1 second, Mataji. Somebody has come on the door. 1 second. I'll just quickly.
Sure, Mataji.
I'm in a call, baby. What? If you want any books, you can go upstairs and take. Sorry, Mataji. Little sons, friends, they have come. Okay, so I'm going to tell a story from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 10, chapter number 23. The name of the story is The Brahmana's Wives Are Blessed. So this story is about, in this story, Krishna, he takes test of two kind of people, two sets, I will say, two groups. One is the Brahmins, and then the second group is the wives of these Brahmins. So who will be successful, we will get to know towards the end of the story. So what happens is that once Krishna is playing with his friends in the forest of Vrindavan, and suddenly the Gopas, the friends of Krishna, they started feeling a lot of hunger. They are like hungry. So when they thought, oh, we are hungry, this means Krishna and Balram are also going to be very hungry. So then immediately they went to Krishna and said, Krishna, we are very hungry, and we are sure that you are also going to be very hungry. So Krishna just smiled and he said, okay, very close by there is an ashram, and there lives some Brahmins who are always busy in some ritualistic yagnas or some fire sacrifice they keep doing. And why are they doing this fire sacrifice? Because they want to go to some heavenly planets. So you go and ask food from them, prasadam from them, tell them that nearby Krishna and Balram are there and they are hungry and they have requested for prasadam. So these Gopas, they run and they go and stand there with folded hands. So that time some yagna was already going on. So when there was break in between the first yagna and the second yagna, so these boys, these Gopas said, respective Brahmins, Krishna and Balram have sent us. They are very hungry. Can you provide us some prasadam? So these Brahmins, they did not even lift their eyes to see who has come. No, yes, no, no. And there was no gesture from their hands that, okay, go and take prasadam from there. So there was nothing. They were like stiff. And after some time, they again started doing yagna. So then they're disappointed. They go back to Krishna and said, Krishna, we did not get anything from the Brahmins. So now Krishna tells that, I'll just read that translation. So Krishna tells these boys that go to the wives of these Brahmins. Tell the wives of the Brahmins that I have come here with Lord Sankarshana. They will certainly give you food, for they are most affectionate to me. So me stands for Krishna, and indeed with their intelligence And indeed, their intelligence resides in me alone. So the wives of Brahmanas, they're always thinking about Krishna. Anyhow, they go to the wives of Brahmanas and they repeat these words. So the moment the wives of these Brahmanas, they get to know that Krishna and Balram are close by, they just lift all the vessels in which they were cooking. The big vessels, we know, in which the food is there. So they just lifted. They did not even wait, okay, let us put in some disposable boxes or small boxes. It will be easy for us to carry. They just lifted those vessels and they started running towards the forest. So now their fathers, father-in-law, mother-in-law, brother, in fact, their own sons and children, they try to stop. Where are you taking this food, this offering? It is meant for the yagna. Don't take it. But they were just least bothered, just ran. And they reached the forest and they just looked at Krishna and Balaram. So Krishna also, with his smiling glances, he also satisfied these Matajis. And after serving Krishna food, so now Krishna tells these Matajis, you have to go back home. Now it was a thunder, like thunder has struck on them. They said, Krishna, you're asking us to go back? No, we are not going to go back. We are going to stay here. And who is going to accept us there also? Nobody is going to accept us because we have just left them. So Krishna said, no. You are a mother, you are a wife, you're a daughter. You have a responsibility at home. So you have to go back. And don't worry, they will accept you. So now again, I'm going to read a translation of the verse which Krishna says, it is by hearing about me, seeing my deity form, meditating upon me, and chanting my names and my glories, that love for me develops, not by physical proximity. So Krishna is saying, not by physical proximity. Therefore, please go back home. So now these ladies, Matajis, they come back home and their so-called ritualistic Brahmins, husbands, they are like slightly ashamed also, because they start discussing amongst themselves that, see, our wives, they don't have any Vedic knowledge. They are not at all ritualistic, but still they understand who is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And we who do so many things, knowing the Supreme Personality of Godhead is there, he is asking something from us, still we are not giving. But another point in this story is that in spite of knowing all these things, still these Brahmins, they did not go and meet Krishna and Balaram. Why? Because they were fearful of Kamsa. They feared that Kamsa, if he gets to know, the Kamsa may punish them. So anyhow, the story is completed here, but the story, the learning for us, especially for kids here, is that sometimes children, you are scared that if you're going to tell your friends that we chant or we do fasting or we follow certain kinds of principles, you are scared that, oh, my friend is going to make fun of me. Oh, my friend will say, I'm not your friend anymore. But a true friend is who lets you what you are. A true friend is one who allows you to follow your heart and your principles. So that is your true friend. So don't get scared that, oh, I might lose a friend. And a learning for all of us from this story, including me, is that the way Brahmins neglected Krishna, similarly, when we are chanting the name of Krishna, we should not neglect Krishna. Why? Because Krishna and his names is same only. It is very easy for me to say, but for me also it is very difficult to follow and do attentive chanting. Maybe many of you might be at that level of the Brahmins' wives, that you have an unmotivated, uninterrupted love and devotion towards Krishna. But as of now, I consider myself not to be at that platform. So collectively, through the help of all these devotees association, maybe one day we all will be successful, and we will also chant attentive rounds for Krishna. And one request, I am also learning in this process. I am not a person who gives lectures to senior devotees. I am only restrict myself to kids only. But if by chance I make any offense, I beg your forgiveness and please correct me that, okay, this point is wrong or this point should be said in that way. So I will be happy to take this feedback because I am also learning. And Naina Mataji, especially for you, huh? After hearing this, don't start thinking, "Ah, mera attendance kab hoga." All
Hari
of
Bol,
us are in the
Mataji.
process. Yeah. Hare Krishna. So let's chant.
Mataji. Now I'm very much confident, Mataji. Like you are there to remind me again. Yes, we have to do attentive chanting and not neglect Krishna when we are chanting. I really like this point. Let's not neglect the proximity. We should not be seeing like he's there in the holy name. So when we are chanting, let's not neglect Krishna. And definitely, Mataji, I'm very much confident with your association with all senior, everyone here. We will be able to do the attentive chanting soon.
Yes, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you. So I request Ashmita today to please chant Panchtattva mantra.
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya,
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya,
Prabhu Nityananda,
Prabhu Nityananda,
Shri Advaita Gadadhar,
Shri Advaita Gadadhara,
Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda,
Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare.
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya, Prabhu Nityananda,
Prabhu Nityananda,
Shri Advaitika Datara,
Shri Advaitika Datara,
Shri Vasadev Gaura Bhakta Vrinda,
Shri Vas.
Bhakti Vrinda. युग धर्म हरिनाम संकीर्तन यज्ञ की जय.